welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mwikali aka Yelelo. So guys, today is a wonderful day, a wonderful morning. As I'm shooting this, I have a t-shirt written God and Goals. Guys, I'm in the new house. Yeah, I just want to basically today this is going to be a vlog. I don't know how long the vlog will be, hoping it won't be that long. I have not tried a vlog. It's actually my first one, like to try vlog series of events. So first and foremost, yeah, I just want to show you how we settled in. You just see the house, have a look at it before we start, like the, what is it called, like doing justice to this house. I'm in love already. So let me just start with the kitchen. And guys, by the way, kuhama is not funny. Hey, I hate moving out. I won't lie. I'm not planning to move out anytime soon. Yeah, so let me just show you. And my kitchen is messy, but anyway, I will show you how it looks like, how we arranged. Yeah, so as let's do. Yeah, so we were able like to hey, don't worry, my sink and the things there. We were able like to arrange, but I'm not yet done because I have some, what are they called, like glass jars over here. Yeah, I'm supposed to like arrange them. Is it pantry? We don't have a pantry. Anyway, I'm supposed to arrange things. See, the things are everywhere. As it looks funny. So I want to like, I'll be using these jars. Let me just show you. Yeah, these ones will be for spices. I'll use these ones for spices. I don't have labels yet, so I have like too much to do. And I also have, okay, this is refusing to open. Yeah, and I also have these ones. So I'll be putting my cereals over here. I have several. They are full in that box, as you can see it. Yeah, and clearly we don't have shopping in this house. So once I do the shopping, that's when we will come and fill these tins of ours and arrange them. You know, I want this kitchen to be warm and to be welcoming anyway. That's what I mean. Not warm, to be welcoming. I need to turn this down. Yeah, so basically that's how we did to our kitchen. Nothing much. Nikupanga tu vitu. We were trying to settle in, but thanks to my brother Caxton, he did everything, guys. Imagine. I've not yet mounted the TV. It's still over here. I was doing a TikTok video. I think actually I should post it here. You see it if I tried. Yeah, that's why I have the stand there. And we have our dining table here. They said it's here. And guys, we don't have seats. Let me explain why. My seats, I called my previous vendors. The reason we don't have seats in this house is because I wanted I wanted the seats to be refurbished. That's the name. Yeah, I want a new look for the seats. So I called my dealer. I asked him to come pick them up before we moved out. So I think they will be delivering them on 10th of October. Hopefully, I hope they won't let me down because I got a party on 10th. So if they let me down, message you what watakaa wapi, by the way. Yeah, and I'll decide not to mount the TV because I'm not sure which wall will the TV be. So I'm just like waiting, like the flowers over that corner there, and yeah. And guys, we just replaced the same curtains. Yeah, the ones which I had in the previous house, but I feel this window is a bit larger than the other one. I think I will have to work on the curtains later on, but at the meantime, let's just work with what we have. And the other reason I've not mounted my TV, this time I feel like I need a TV stand. I don't feel like mounting it, but before the week ends, I will know what I'm going to do. I don't want even to draw the curtains right now because I might be leaving. I just want to make some breakfast. I think I'll take coffee. Then after that, I'll be headed out to go to the salon and do grocery shopping. Yeah, I did my nails. You remember when I was doing the house tour? There's one nail which was funny. Yeah, I did them. I don't know why I don't like... First, okay, to be honest, see, feel easy nails this time. But everybody's like, oh, they look nice. Oh, I'm like... Thank you. But in my heart, I'm like, okay, anyway, so should I show you how I've arranged there? That my bedroom was in a mess, but I tried arranging it. Okay, nataka kuona huko. Oi, watu wangu. Acha nimuoneshe tu a glimpse. Yeah, so now curtains. I need to work on curtains. You see how the bed looks like? Don't judge me. It's because my beddings were washed. I also arranged the wardrobes. Nilishindwa kupanga by the way. And I decluttered by the way. My clothes are so little this time. Yeah, so that's it. At least I've tried being organized. Okay, I decluttered. Sina nguo officially. Sina nguo. I need to do shopping. Oh, let me show you. I even cleared my carpet. Yeah, that's how everything is. I need to change those curtains by the way. So let me just make my breakfast. I'll just take something quick. I'm not very hungry. Then after that, I will be headed to get my hair done. Yeah, I hope my salonist will be around. Yeah, that's my greatest prayer. I love taking coffee by the way, guys. Like, I'm in love. On the specific here. So guys, let me just see you once I'm done. Like, I see you in the salon. So guys, I just arrived home. Yeah, yesterday I didn't do the grocery shopping. Na sikuweza kusonga. My salonist was not feeling well. Yeah, so I decided to just have my wig on. Yeah, I don't know how I look in this wig. Guys, what do you think? And guys, I think I have the best dealer for my seats. Imagine the seats are to be delivered by 10th. And today is 7th October. And I have them. Oh God, let me just, I don't know what to say. I love the color, but maybe the time I was choosing that color, let me first just explain before showing you. Maybe the time I was choosing that color, my mood was that. Okay, I'm not sure if the before was better or it's the after. So let me just show you. I will place a pic for the before also, so as you can be able to see it was looking like, and you see how they look like after they've been refurbished. Let me just show you, guys. They were delivered during the day. I wasn't around. Yeah, but my brother was around. It feels nice. Oh, this color, man. I'm not sure what I was thinking when I chose this color. I'm not pretty sure. Yeah, we just refurbished them. Yeah, got to sour. Let me just show you the seat vizuri. Yeah. So guys, that is the seat. It has just been refurbished. The color is what was being changed. Initially I had a girly color. We si hii nakaa serious ama ni machua hata sielewi. We ogopa. Guys, I'm not sure of this color, but I want to position my camera on the tripod so as I can sijapanga, but I just want to like do some sort of changing the arrangement, the colors we see. Yeah, so let me do it. Trying to arrange them. I was trying to see how it's going to look like when it's like this, like when the cushions all face like this. But actually, thinking about it, we can make it like a pattern. Maybe this center one to have like the cushion being this plain one instead of the printed one. I think I can make it as a pattern. But if I need it to be like this plain, maybe I work with, what is it called, color coordination. Like maybe I get other throw pillows that have color so as to make the seat vibrant. But generally I actually like it because you see the previous seat, the cream one, used to really get dirty very fast. Like you could clean it like maybe in 2 months it's already dirty. It could show very fast, you know, white things. You're getting what I'm saying, guys. So I really like this seat. I'm in love with it. Guys, do you think if this refurbish was a fail or a pass? What do you think? Do you like the before one, or do you like it like right now the way it is, the color coordination, the brown one? Honestly, I'm a purple girl. That's why I had purple seats. I'm not sure where this vibe came from. So what do you think, guys? Was it a fail? Was it a pass? Yeah, just tell me. So now I have too much thinking. Like, do I have to change the curtains, you know, the wall color? Because you see, I want a vibrant place. Now I'm trying to figure out, what should I change? What should I do? You know, like just to get like something that really, you know, color coordination. I'm not really sure. Because my same color, oh my god. I wanted orange ingililie mahali hapa, but siko sure itaingililia aje. Guys, suggest down, just comment, what do you think? Like, orange inaweza ingilia wapi? Is it on the curtains and maybe the curtains and the carpet, ama? Or what do you think I should do? Like, I really want to work on this space. I want to make it homely. I know it's going to be a step at a time, but we need to do something to this. We need to do something to this space to make it beautiful. You see, I've not even mounted my TV bado. My tripod iko hapo. I have a lot to do, but it's a step at a time, guys, by the way. So what do you think? And by the way, if you're liking such videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Naona dining penye hapo nyuma. It's actually, we need to make this place spacious. Let me just sit down, think, then we see what is the next step. So guys, this is 3 days after I said we are going for grocery shopping. Actually, I felt sick. If you can see my hairstyle, nilishuka hadi. Yeah, I went to get my hair done, but I was kinda unwell, so I wasn't even able to pick up the camera and vlog. And I was able to mount my TV, which was not the initial idea, mounting that TV. But I needed to keep myself busy, watch, because I don't have a TV stand yet. Yeah, so I'll just show you the progress. Today I was able to go out after a very bad flu, but now I'm better kabisa. Yeah, so I just want us to wind up this video. I don't want it to be long, so as you can wait for the pantry organization, which is going to be next. I don't know if I give you a snap of the way my pantry looks so badly. I'm actually not a girl. Let me just show you how it looks, no judging. So as you can wait for the next video to see how I'm going to arrange the glass jars and everything. Let me just give you a small video because I'm sure everything is going to be super nice. Guys, I'm hoping you really like this video. The purpose of this video is actually to show you the way I've arranged the house after I moved in. Yeah, and if you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment to your friends. Yeah, so, and keep it here for the next one. Actually, it's not going to take long to upload like how this one has taken long. I think just after a day or 2 days we'll have the pantry organization up. Yeah, so till next time, bye guys.